Welcome back, my friends, and happy Friday. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is going to be part-time in the evenings. They are offering multiple shifts, so this one is going to be perfect for those of you who have a full-time job during the day and you're just looking to make a little bit of extra side money in the evenings and still get your full night's sleep. Of course, as always, the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the company Drips. They have a 3.8 out of 5-star rating on Glassdoor. They are hiring a part-time chat room operator. Now, one thing to quickly note about this job, they are paying $10 an hour. I know that might be low to some of you, but I decided to share because I myself have worked side jobs in the evening for $10 an hour before, because some people are on like Social Security and they can only make a small amount of money. Other people like me, it might make the difference between being able to feed your kids and not being able to feed your kids. You never know what someone's situation is. Some money is better than no money, but I just wanted to put that up front. But they are looking for a chat room operator to basically have conversations with people. It says an example is like a user can say can't now working, and you would categorize that and handle that by clicking I am at work button. This kind of coincides with some AI interactions. But they are looking for somebody to quickly and accurately, in less than 60 seconds, respond to those inbound messages via their chat room to leads regarding questions and concerns around product or service utilization, point and click, frequently asked questions, and canned responses. You'll add relevancy to the canned responses. Like, example, if someone was sick, you might add, sorry to hear that. Should we try in a week or two? Hope you feel better. You'll maintain a 95% or above accuracy in responding and handling these responses. Now that sounds easy enough, but like I said, they're paying $10 an hour. They're looking for someone to work up to 28 hours a week, so that's an extra $280 a week. Now, the only time you're going to have to be on a phone is for the training. They're going to offer training. It's conducted through Zoom, and you will have to have your audio and video on. They're looking for somebody to either work the shifts 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There's a 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and a 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure you convert your time zone to those times to see if that will work for you. They're currently taking anyone that is living in the United States and authorized to work in the U.S. They want somebody who has great attention to detail, someone who is comfortable on a computer with great typing skills. They want somebody who knows how to use emojis, good grammar and spelling, good communication skills, and of course, because this is all online, you have to have reliable internet and your own computer. They don't provide that for you. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.